Welcome to how to create a free website tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a free website using GitHub. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you will need to sign in into your account or create a new GitHub account. Then click Add Create Repository as you see. Here you will type the repository name as you see. I will type free website 999 undead. Then here write the description of the site. I will write video. You can add a readme file and choose your license. Then here you can publish your site. So here you can write the command line of the site, you can add the codes and everything, and then your site will be running in GitHub. So this way is more complicated than the other ways, but it's a good way for the people who wants to use complicated codes and stuff. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.